the vast tapestry of life on Earth, an extraordinary array of animals share our planet. Each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems. However, not all species continue unthreatened. Today, we explore the poignant and pressing issue of endangered animals, focusing on some of the most critically threatened species whose futures hang in the balance. Let us begin with the majestic Sumatran rhino. Native to the lush, tropical forests of Indonesia, the Sumatran rhino is one of the smallest rhinoceros species. Unfortunately, it is also the most endangered, with fewer than 80 individuals believed to remain in the wild. The primary threat to their survival is habitat destruction, driven by palm oil production and illegal logging. Poaching for their horns, despite international bans, has decimated their populations. Conservation efforts, including protected reserves and breeding programs, offer a glimmer of hope. But time is of the essence to save this ancient creature. Next, we journey to the vast oceans to meet the vaquita, a small porpoise found exclusively in the northern part of the Gulf of California. The vaquita is on the brink of extinction, with estimates suggesting fewer than 10 individuals left. They face an existential threat from illegal fishing operations, particularly from gill nets used to catch another endangered species, the totoaba fish, whose swim bladders are highly valued in traditional Chinese medicine. Urgent action, including strict enforcement of fishing bans and removal of gill nets, is crucial to prevent this species from disappearing forever. Now, let us venture to the grasslands of central India, home to the charismatic and elusive Asiatic cheetah. Once roaming widely across the Middle East and India, the Asiatic cheetah is now critically endangered, with only about 50 individuals surviving, confined to remote areas of Iran. These cheetahs face threats from habitat loss, reduced prey availability, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservationists are working tirelessly to monitor and protect the remaining populations, implement captive breeding programs, and educate local communities about the cheetah's importance to biodiversity. In the dense forests of Central Africa, the cross-river gorilla makes its home. As the most endangered subspecies of gorilla, only around 200 to 300 individuals remain, scattered across the mountains and forests along the Nigeria-Cameroon border. Encroaching human settlements, agriculture, and poaching for bushmeat pose significant risks to their survival. Dedicated conservation programs involving community engagement, law enforcement, and habitat preservation are vital to ensure the survival of this gentle giant. From the forests of Africa, we traveled to the island of Madagascar, where the strikingly beautiful and critically endangered Madagascar pochard resides. This rare duck was once thought to be extinct until a small population was rediscovered in 2006. Environmental degradation and introduced predators threaten their wetland habitats. Conservationists have embarked on a bold initiative to breed the species in captivity and reintroduce them to protected sites, aiming to restore their presence in the wild. In the waters surrounding the Hawaiian Islands, the Hawaiian monk seal faces numerous perils. With fewer than 1,400 individuals remaining, they are one of the world's most endangered marine mammals. Entanglement in fishing gear, human disturbance, and climate change, induced habitat loss are key threats. Efforts to protect and restore their natural habitats, alongside community education and policy changes, are pivotal for their continued existence. As we reflect on these endangered animals, it becomes apparent that human activities are largely responsible for their plight. Each species we've explored today is not merely a statistic, but a vital contributor to its respective ecosystem. The intricate web of life that sustains our planet relies on the presence of each species, however small or large. Conservation efforts worldwide are underway to address these challenges, but success depends on global awareness and action. In concluding our exploration, let us remember the words of legendary conservationist Jane Goodall. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. By supporting conservation initiatives, advocating for sustainable practices, and educating others about the importance of biodiversity, we can all contribute to preserving the natural world for future generations. The fate of endangered animals is intertwined with our own, and together we can work towards a future where all creatures, great and small, continue to thrive in harmony on our shared home, Earth.